Creating an Electrum wallet is a simple process that allows you to securely store and manage your Bitcoin. Here's how to create an Electrum wallet. Download Electrum. Visit the official Electrum website at electrum.org. Download the version compatible with your operating system. Avoid third-party sources to ensure security. Install Electrum. Open the downloaded file and follow the installation instructions for your operating system. Once installed, launch the Electrum wallet application. Create a new wallet. Upon opening Electrum, you will be prompted to create a new wallet. Select Create a new wallet and click Next. Choose a wallet type. Electrum offers different wallet types such as standard wallet or multi-signature wallet. For beginners, choose the standard wallet option. Set up a password. Electrum will ask you to create a strong password to protect your wallet. Ensure it is memorable but secure. Back up your recovery phrase. Electrum will provide a 12-word recovery phrase. Write this down on paper and store it in a safe location. This phrase is essential for recovering your wallet. Done. Once you've secured your recovery phrase, your wallet is ready. You can now receive, store, and send Bitcoin.